again and again. If you are not happy with the result, always feel free to customize things. For example, the height, the border, the colors, always go ahead and I want you to customize them. For example, on my button, I could say the height should be, for example, 55. The border color should be like this dark gray. And the color also should be like, you are not limited. Oh, it's ugly right now, I know is that. But again, feel free to go ahead and customize things if you are not happy. Never limit yourself to what I show you. Okay, always grab your own ideas and put them together. And always feel free to share them with me so we can help each other. So again, these are the buttons that we will be displaying in our homepage. I guess the homepage almost complete. We don't have anything added or needed, I mean. So we can move to the next page, which will be about the about page. Okay, this will be really interesting and it will be really enjoyable lessons. So I will see you in that one.